Hello friends, and welcome to Leg Day Recovery. This video is designed to help sore leg muscles after a leg workout session, or your legs are just tight in general. Set your intention for this session. Let's get started. From easy pose, come into a yogi squat. Bring your hands into prayer pose. Bring your hands down to the mat. Bring one arm up to the sky and stretch. Switch arms. Lift the other arm once more. And the other side. Bring your hands back to prayer pose. Come to a seated position. Bring one foot to your inner thigh and stretch over your straight leg. If you can't reach your foot, use a strap. Come up and switch sides. Breathe deeply into your hamstrings. Stretch both legs out. Try and touch your toes. If you can't, use a strap. If you have the flexibility, have your forehead touch your shins. Let your breath carry you deeper into the stretch. Release the pose and come up. Stretch and roll your ankles if needed. Come into bound angle pose. Feel free to rock side to side and give yourself movement in this pose. When you're ready, lean forward. Release the pose and come up. Cross one foot over your leg and bend that straight leg so your foot is by your glutes. Lift your arm and twist into half Lord of the Fishes pose. Release the pose and switch sides. Release the pose. Come into Firelog pose. Stack your shins on top of one another. If there's a gap, that's okay. If it's available to you, place your arms in front of you and bring your forearms to your mat. Move your body to feel the deeper parts of the stretch. Release the pose. Switch legs. When your body allows, move your forearms to your mat. Move your body side to side to find the different tight spots in your hips. Release the pose. Come to hands and knees and prepare for pigeon. Bring one leg forward with your knee bent. Lay across your shin. Come up, stretch, and switch sides. The more of a right angle your leg makes, the more intense the stretch will be. Release the pose and come up. Come up to your hands and knees, and then come onto your stomach. Bring one leg up and bend it towards your glutes. You want your foot on the side of your glutes, not directly behind. Release and switch sides. Bring your foot to meet your hand and bend your leg. Release and come to hands and knees. Bring one leg forward into a low lunge. Breathe deeply into your quads. Lift your torso up and grab your back foot. Bring your foot to the side of your glutes and stretch. Switch sides and prepare for low lunge pose. Bring your torso up and grab your back foot. Stretch it towards your side glute. Release your foot and bring both of your legs to meet each other into child's pose. Roll over for corpse pose. Thank yourself for coming to your mat today. Stretching your body is the key to longevity. You should be proud of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day. Namaste.